Over the course of the filming of this series, the weather's changed drastically, and today it's very cold. Well, kind of the first cold snap of the year in a way, and it's also very windy, so I apologize if the audio is terrible. But here we have it. This is the complete 9.5, looking very nice. There's a few things that need done yet, but nothing major. And yeah, the trees are really blowing around here, so I don't know. Anyway, starting at the front, the headlamps were in good shape, so just gave those a quick polish, and that was good. The front bumper, I did decide to go ahead and have that repainted, so that's all done. None of this was taped and masked, not at all. Everything was fully disassembled. The bumper was stripped down and sanded down and filled and taken care of, so that's done properly. That's the right way to do it. Very professional. Going down the hood here, a couple paintless dents removed. Nothing really that you could see. The only dents we'll look at are on the other side. Everything else was just small dings that you couldn't really see on camera anyway. The wheels, so I've been driving this, but the 17-inch alloys are a little bit dirty, but otherwise they were clean. New center caps, which really dresses that up nice. Going down the side, just a couple dings that were removed. Everything got polished just really nicely. Looks great. Nice and clean. I mean, usually I try to stay out of the reflection, but no chance with this one. The rear bumper, which was also repainted, that's just a little bit dull. I don't think the polish was quite cured on that. No worries, we'll just get back to that later on. In the back, if you take a look here, sometimes on these SAABs the lettering will come off. This has all been removed and then retaped, so these are very solid and hopefully not going to come off, at least for a long time. Otherwise, everything is looking really nice on this side as well. There was a small dent on this door, which was actually worse than it first looked. You can see there's a little bit of a ripple there, but at least it's fairly level. And the same thing on this fender, although this one's a lot better. You can't even really tell. There's just a little something going on there. Otherwise, it came out great. The polishing on this was quite a feat. It took a long time to do, but it turned out really well. I think this car looks great. I love it in black. I'm not a huge fan, actually, of black cars, but this looks great. I really like it. All right, let's start here. I guess we'll just go around this kind of like a tour. We'll do a tour on this at some point, but just starting here in the trunk. So everything here is nice and clean, same as it was. Everything is complete. Nothing fancy there. No changes. Looking at the back seat, again, everything was just so clean on this car. So all the door panels were off for the paintless repair, so everything got cleaned and wiped down. The seats were vacuumed, the carpets were vacuumed, the mats were taken out and shampooed, and the carpets were shampooed in place. All the leather seating got wiped down and kind of like had the protectant put on it. We vacuumed out the rear parcel shelf there. The headliner is in really nice shape. These headrests are in good shape. Everything looks good here. No rips or tears on any of the storage things there. Again, everything's in really nice shape back here. This wood and door handle trim is in really nice shape. So we actually removed these front seats just to be able to get really nice access for cleaning. But again, these turned out really well. There's a little bit of wear, I guess, in the graining of the leather, but it looks good and it isn't too bowed there. We got a new jalousie in around the shifter. Otherwise, everything was in really nice shape here. Just needed a good cleaning. Other than that, we've gone through, serviced everything, checked and changed all the fluids, the motor mounts, transmission mounts, all of that's done. It has good brakes, good tires, the glass is all in good shape. So this should be a really nice car going forward that isn't going to need a lot of maintenance, at least right away. But wow, what an undertaking. So anyway, just wanted to go over that and move on to the next segment. Well, it's a pretty exciting day. The 9.5 is done. It looks great, it drives great, runs great. This is a really nice car. I don't know if I've mentioned it yet because it is kind of important. This car has 25,718 miles on it. So that's kind of why this was being brought back. It has a lot of life left in it, and now it looks like it has a lot of life left in it. So it definitely needed a little bit of sprucing up. So with all the rest of this done and everything good to go, it's time to take it to my dad and the rest of the family and see what they think. So I'm on the way there now. I want to thank everybody that's kind of helped with this. There's been a lot of people involved that have helped me get so much of this done in such a quick time. It's just incredible. Basically 10 days this car came in, everything got done to it, and now here we are leaving, and it looks great. This is beautiful. I think my dad's really gonna like this. Now, of course, this is really not a like, I'm not giving him the car in that like I bought it for him or anything. This is he knows about it, but he hasn't seen it yet in this condition. So it'll be really really fun for him to see, I think, what it kind of turned out to be. I know he's going to be very happy with it. So we'll see what happens. So I'm just on the way there now. Got a couple shots of me driving this. It's just such a beautiful car. I'm really enjoying driving this. I've been driving it the last day just to kind of make sure that everything's okay, and also get it ready for the inspection. So it's just to get some mileage on it for the emissions monitor. So it's been great. I've really enjoyed driving it. So anyway, let's take a look. Have it, 25,718. Yeah, everything just looks phenomenal. What a nice riding vehicle. This is just really impressive. I can't wait to do a review on it. Can't wait to kind of compare this head to head with the other SAAB that I have, the other 9.5. It's going to be a lot of fun. But wow, what a nice car. Alright, well, I'm just headed now into my parents' neighborhood, so we'll see what happens. You know, it's funny, sometimes you do things and you think, I've done this 100 times, and other times you think, I've never done that before. And this is certainly the latter. I have never kind of done a project like this, nothing in this, well, I've done projects like this, I guess, but nothing in this amount of time and to this level of detail, and nothing's ever really gone this well, really, in a way. I mean, usually you get into something, you realize, oh, this is messed up, that's messed up, this is going to take longer. This is one of those few times when everything seems to have gone really well. And again, I have to thank everybody that helped me out with this. It was quite a project, quite a lot of fun though. So here we are. Let's pick it up in a minute at my parents' house.
Wow, you guys did a great job.
Oh, wow. Detailing would be a very good skill.
Well, thank you. Take a look.
Looks like it's never been driven before.
Yeah.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
I'll give.
Wow.
I know you did a lot of it out exterior work. You did a fantastic job.
Unbelievable. It's like glass.
So everything's been polished. We took care of the bumpers. All the dings have been pulled.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
The bumpers turned out nice, Seth. You did a nice job there.
Thank you.
There was about, I don't know, 10 or 15 little round holes and some other dings. And he puttied it, I guess. Sanded it.
Yep. Nice big trunk for you.
Huge trunk. That's the biggest trunk of all the cars we've ever had.
So here,
Put a lawnmower in there really easy.
we fixed all these.
Lawnmower in there, I'll kill you.
Seth just told me do's and don'ts for this car.
We retaped all the badges. They commonly came off, so
Wow.
we retaped those. New center caps. The old ones were kind of scuzzy, so they're all in there. This car has good tires and good brakes, and you have that. But here, take a look. Take a look inside.
Oh my goodness.
First of all, he took the seats out to clean it.
Oh my goodness. Like no DNA left behind.
Nothing. Nope.
But look how nice. I mean, there's no damage, there's no stains, there's no rips, there's no wear. I mean, it looks
Unbelievable.
as brand new as a car can look at.
Take a look in the front.
For 15 years.
Wow. I've never had a car that looked this nice, ever. The van looked nice, but it was
Yeah.
van.
Take a look.
Sorry.
It's got a
Oh my
6-disc
goodness.
CD changer, multiple speaker audio.
Should we sit in it?
Yeah, have a seat.
Okay.
It's got power seats.
Look, I made it 30 already.
That's what happens.
Clean your shoes off.
There's nothing wrong with that.
We need little carpet protectors. Come on, you get in, Mr.
Yeah.
Driver, sir.
Here, give it a try.
Yes, thank you very much, guys. And Seth said, Dad, this car can be really nice. I said, oh no, man, it's this, and that, this.
This thing had a lot of potential. It really did.
Well, it's
Well, you
lived
guys-
up to
you
it.
guys made it
Thanks to
reach
you
it.
guys. I can't say that we throw fast food bathrooms on these,
Oh no.
but maybe go 6
Oh,
months
this is
without
nice.
cleaning
Yep,
it.
all fixed
Yeah.
up.
And that's that. I don't. My van, I can't stand it. Like after a month or something, if it's beyond shaking out these,
This is really nice.
forget it. Okay,
Looks
the
good.
heated seats. Put that on. I've got to try that.
All right, I'm going to explain the rest of the features and get them all
That's
set
it?
up with this, but thank you everyone for watching. I think mission accomplished. I think this turned out really, really well. I just want to, again, thank you everyone who was involved. What a fun project. Thanks for watching.
Because I'm nervous about being watched and I've never driven this before. I'm just going to take it nice and easy.
Do that every time.
I will.
I mean, this thing has some, it could definitely keep up with the Benz.
Like, I like the clean windshield cylinder.
Oh yeah, we gotta not have the.
Just want to buckle up there.
Sorry,
That's what that's for.
we gotta not have the stupid lantern flag.
Pick the roughest road to test the ride on.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Well, Bridge Street's not real usable right now.
It's very true.
Can we go that way?
I can get out of here and turn left. Bridge Street, about 60%.
Wow, that windshield may not be so clean.
Oh, and this is the secondary ones. So if you would take and push that one off to the side, like you're going to use it for a side one, right, the whole way over, and pull that other one down, it's for a double sunshade.
Oh my word! Somebody should have thought of that long ago.
Well, they did 15 years ago.
Yeah, what a great idea. Oh, that is just fabulous.
Ride's pretty nice, huh? Pretty quiet.
Yes, it's real nice.
He's on trailer traction.
It's okay.
I thought they were nice.
Yeah, I think they're nice too. My husband does not want it.
I don't think
If it weren't for him, I'd live in that. So,
you are.
The funeral home.
yeah. The defunct funeral home. Yikes. Don't film that.
I'm a 60-year-old man. I'm not nailing it too bad.
You even had a little turbo noise.
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
Do you
no,
hear
isn't
that?
that
Do you hear
fun?
that spool?
So can you take it on or off sport anytime you want?
It feels like we're in a brand new car.
That's good acting.
I wasn't acting, I was laughing.
No,
I was
don't make it
acting.
over the top or else people won't believe it.
Okay, it feels like
I'm
feels like we're in a brand new car.
I'm just messing.
There.
Or just, is that all just like refreshment?
I'll make a review if I'm allowed.
Okay, so we didn't
You
go
do whatever you
anywhere
want.
for our 35th anniversary. This car is a 35th anniversary. I'm so glad you decided to invest in it and these guys cleaned it up. That's incredible.
Nice.
What's this?
Direction.
It's a compass.
We're pointing south right now.
Oh my goodness. Okay, and then what's this little thing here?
That's a glass break. Well, maybe the glass breakage sensor. It's part of the alarm. Or it's either part of the alarm or the security system. I'm drawing a blank.
And then there's something here, like almost an electric eye right there.
Yep, that senses light coming in from the back, and there's a sensor in the front
Oh.
which senses the light. That dims the mirror. So you know how you used to have like a little thingy, a flippity thing that you would...
Yeah.
That does it automatically if it's activated.
Oh my word.
And the only thing you have to do to activate it is hit that little auto button right underneath the middle there, very center.
This one.
That one. Okay. What are these?
That's for like a.
Garage door.
Or
Yeah,
gate
okay.
opener or something like that.
Yep, something like that.
And Seth, I leave the lights to the right here.
The left would be off. To the right, they'll be on, but they shut off when you take the key out.
Okay. Wow.
Wow. I love my heated seat. It feels like a heating pad on.
You can use that all you want. Very nice. Thank you very much, guys.
I can't. You have to take me places in it.
Take
I'm
me-
not driving it ever.
Okay. I'm not going to argue with you.
No argument there.